Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me I have the FTZ Flatdeck. This is the 20-foot long bumper pull model. This trailer comes in length ranges of 20 foot all the way up to 30 foot for the bumper pull version, or 24 foot all the way up to 40 foot for the gooseneck. At the front of this trailer, it has a 2 5/16 Demco Easy Latch adjustable coupler with a 12,000 pound jack. Also here at the front of the trailer, it has a chain rack where you can store all your straps, chains, and other tools. The tongue of this trailer is a 12-inch I-beam rated at 14 pounds per foot. On the gooseneck model, the tongue is a fabricated I-beam. Behind the tongue, this trailer has a rock guard and a step that you can easily store away when not in use and retract when you need it. It's a great feature when you need to get on the deck to secure your cargo. The frame of the trailer is a 12-inch I-beam. The height of this deck is 33 inches and a width of 102 inches. We use pine lumber floor for the deck, but also have other options if you need to upgrade. The running gear on this trailer, it has two 7K Lippert axles with a spring suspension and electric brakes on both axles. The tires that come standard with this trailer are 16-inch wheels with 10-ply tires. Along the side of this trailer, it has a rub rail with stake ID pockets to easily secure your cargo. Ramps on this trailer are 8-foot heavy-duty slide-in ramps. It has LED lighting for great visibility at night. So that concludes the review video of the FTZ Flatdeck by Horizon Trailers. Make sure to check us out at www.horizontrailers.com, and you can also follow all the major social media platforms.